the everyday spice that supports heart health. Ginger's hidden power. Have you ever thought that something sitting in your kitchen cabinet could protect your heart? Ginger, yes, that common spice is more than just flavor. For people over 50, this humble root may be a powerful ally for cardiovascular health, blood sugar balance, and inflammation control. At World TV Elderly, we explore simple, science-backed tips that support aging well. And today, we read diving deep into the health benefits of ginger and how to use it safely every day. Why ginger deserves a spot in your daily routine. Ginger has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, but modern science is now confirming what ancient healers already knew. When consumed regularly, ginger may improve several risk factors for heart disease. Let's explore how. 1. Ginger helps lower systolic blood pressure. High systolic blood pressure, the top number in a blood pressure reading, is a major concern for seniors. Research shows that ginger may act as a natural vasodilator, helping blood vessels relax and improving circulation. This can lead to a mild but meaningful drop in systolic pressure over time. For best results, combine ginger with other lifestyle habits like walking after meals, reducing sodium, and staying hydrated. 2. It improves lipid profiles, aka your blood fats. Unbalanced cholesterol, another silent threat to heart health. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol and chagal, which may reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while supporting HDL, good cholesterol. In one clinical trial, daily ginger supplementation significantly lowered blood triglycerides within 12 weeks. Try adding ginger to soups, teas, or stir-fries. It's a flavorful way to care for your heart. 3. Ginger helps fight inflammation. Inflammation plays a role in nearly every chronic disease, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. As we age, low-grade inflammation tends to rise. Ginger's active ingredients act as natural anti-inflammatories. Studies show ginger can reduce markers like CRP, C-reactive protein, making it a gentle option to manage inflammation long-term. If you feel stiffness in the morning or notice swelling in joints, ginger might be a helpful addition to your routine. 4. It supports blood sugar balance. For people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, ginger may help stabilize blood sugar levels. It appears to enhance insulin sensitivity and improve how sugar is metabolized in the body. In one small study, participants who consumed ginger powder daily had better fasting blood sugar levels after 8 weeks. Just remember, ginger is a tool, not a cure. Combine it with a balanced diet and regular activity for the best effect. How to add ginger to your day safely and simply. Ginger is incredibly versatile. Here are a few easy ways to use it. Morning tea. Boil slices of fresh ginger in water. Add lemon or honey for taste. Cooking. Use grated ginger in soups, stews, or stir-fried vegetables. Smoothies. Add a pinch of ground ginger or a thin slice of fresh ginger for a spicy kick. Supplements. Ginger capsules are available, but always speak with your doctor before starting any new supplement. Important safety notes, especially for seniors. While ginger is generally safe, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. If you take blood thinners, ginger may increase bleeding risk. Talk to your doctor before using large amounts. For those with acid reflux, ginger may irritate the stomach lining in some cases. Stick to moderate amounts, about 1 to 2 grams of ginger per day, roughly 1 teaspoon grated. Choose real ginger, not ginger-flavored candies or sodas, which are high in sugar and offer no health benefit. When to be cautious. Avoid ginger supplements before surgery or if you have a history of gallstones. Always read labels and use fresh, clean ginger when possible. And remember, everyone reacts differently. Start small and observe how your body responds. The takeaway: ginger as heart-healthy medicine. Ginger in a miracle cure, but it's a gentle, natural tool that can support better blood pressure, reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol, and stabilize blood sugar. That's a powerful set of benefits from something you probably already have at home. If you're over 50 and looking for simple ways to boost your heart health and overall vitality, ginger is a smart place to start. Try this daily ginger routine: breakfast, oatmeal with a sprinkle of ground ginger; lunch, grilled chicken with a ginger garlic stir-fry; evening, fresh ginger tea after dinner. These little steps add up to long-term support for your heart, your mood, and your overall health. If this video gave you useful ideas, please like it and subscribe to World TV Elderly. We share weekly health tips designed to help you stay strong, sharp, and independent as you age. Thank you for watching World TV Elderly, where simple choices make powerful change.